Hi, welcome back to my channel guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Kohli. Guys, in today's episode I'm going to talk about a department where a lot of openings are there, and surprisingly a lot of Indians are also working. Yes guys, the department name is Casino. Yes, today I'm going to tell you everything about the casino, what is the procedure, how you can apply for a casino job, and what is the minimum qualification and what is the experience required. So guys, please do not skip this video. If you skip it, you will miss it. Watch this video till the end, and without wasting time, let's start this video. Number one is your education qualification for casino. So minimum qualification to work on a cruise ship is 10 pass. But there is a company which is known as V-Ship. They are hiring for a casino department, but the minimum qualification they say is 12th. Let's take it 12th for now. So if you are a 12th pass, you can work in a casino. Number two is, what is your age required to work on a cruise ship in a casino department? So the age is 21. Number three is your experience. How many months of experience required to work on a cruise ship in a casino department? And the answer to this question is 2 years, which is 24 months. Live gaming experiences, and I think you can get an experience in Goa, because in India we only have casino in Goa. If you have a dream to work on a cruise ship in a casino department, you need to have an experience 2 years, and you can get this experience in Goa. And if you have an international experience, that is a different story. But right now in India, I think it's Goa. Number four is your salary. How much you earn in a casino. So guys, I will tell you the basic. Right now is $1,300. But in casino, you get tips also. And there is a lot of tips. So it depends on company to company, cruise to cruise, how much you're going to make. But the basic is $1,300. You might earn $3,000 also, you might earn $1,500 also. So I cannot tell you about the tips, how much tips you're going to get, but the basic is $1,300. Now number five is your promotion. When you gonna get your promotion? So guys, if you're working in a casino department and if you want to get promoted, it will at least take 3 contracts. 3 contracts, and after that you will get a promotion. Number six is your duty hours. Now what will be your duty hours if you are working on a cruise ship in a casino department? The casino is also like a retail shop on a cruise ship. The casinos are also closed on a port days. So the moment the ship is docked, the casino is closed. On a port day, you will work anything between 6 hours to 8 hours. But on a sea day, guys, 12 hours minimum. You will get a break, of course, but 12 hours you will work on a sea day. Now, number seven is working duties. Now, what are the working duties you're going to do? The same duty which you do on a land in a casino. So once you get experience, you know what will be your duty. There's nothing different. The same, that table, the turntable, and whatever you say, I have no idea about it because I'm not from a casino department, but it will be same what you do on the land. So guys, this is the email address. You can go ahead and send your resume if you have 2 years of experience and if you are a 12 pass. So I'm sure you will get into casino department, and it is a very fun department to work in, and it comes in a staff, so you will enjoy all the facility of a staff on a cruise ship. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'll keep making such video and informing you about the cruise ship life. Bye from Cruising with Kohli.